Friends, I am very excited today because your company, Modicare, is taking the biggest step than any other company out there. Today, I am proud to present for the first time in direct selling a product for a cause, a product for something I believe dearly with, something that I want to involve the larger family so that together we can contribute to make a difference. So today, I'm proud to launch Coffee for Kerala. All the proceeds that are generated from this coffee go towards rebuilding our consultants, rebuilding the world, and rebuilding the lives. Please support this initiative. Please buy this coffee, not only for Kerala, but also for doing your part in making a difference. This product has no BV because this product's margins the company is making are all going to build our family members' lives who have lost a lot. Let's stand together. Let's give them the hope and the belief that we are a family. We believe in the Modi way. I believe in the Modi way. You believe in the Modi way. Let's spread happiness. Coffee for Kerala will be available in Modicare outlets, Modicare business sites, but it will also be available in all other retail businesses that Samir Modi runs so that we can make the maximum effect, maximum money given to Kerala. Support me, support Kerala, support Coffee for Kerala, and don't be shy to buy. Jai Hind.